view, skyline in my eyes. Fortune close, but struggle never lies. Money don't erase nights I survive. Every rhyme I spit, every bar live, yeah. Pour liquor for the lost, the gone. Every triumph on it, still I press on. Crown heavy, yet I move strong. Empire blocks whisper our legacy lives long. Hustling hard, code I live by. Dreams in the city where weak men die. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Empire blocks, remember, we never die. The streets talk, shadows watch. Every struggle shapes the king in you. Empire blocks.
Okay. Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? It is another day for our trading session. So come through, come through. Okay.
Every street got a story. Every block got a king. You survive, you grind, you rise.
Let's go.
Legends of the concrete jungle. Grew up where the cold wind cut through your soul.
What's up,
Mama prayed hard, daddy
guys? What's up,
hustling my
guys?
ambition out of control. Every corner taught lessons, every scar my goal.
That is beautiful. We are starting off on a very beautiful note, on a very good note. So, how are we doing? How are we doing? Thank you guys for coming through. I really do appreciate you guys who come in on time. And there we have Ruth in the building. Hi, my darling Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Raphael is in the building. Hi, Raphael. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you guys for coming in. We are just getting started. Today we are right on time on my end and on some of you guys. And so today I want to see you guys coming in big numbers. Yesterday we closed off when some people had requested for the strategy. So definitely today I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to go through it, right? I'm going to go through it such that we see how to go about it. Okay. So let me see you come through. Let me see you. Let me see you come through. Okay. Okay, so that was Raphael. I see over there. Eagles fly. Thank you for coming through. How are you doing? Yesterday, was it yesterday when you sent in when you were asking me about your donation? I got back to you. I asked you which names did you send your donations in? Because on the date that you said, which was 11th, this same month, I have a name on it, but please let me know which name did you send your donation in, such that I do that today. Okay, is it Eagles Fly or it's some other name? Let me know, please. Good thing you've come in early, so we still have a lot of time on our hands. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We've not started off on a bad note. Let's see. That is a buy position for us. But it looks like, okay, let's go. Okay. That is Morpheo. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. How are you? Thank you for coming through. I see you over there. Supreme. Hi, Supreme. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you join in. So let us dive straight into it without wasting any time. Okay, so Eagles Fly, please get back to me as soon as possible, such that we get onto it.
Why the block redefine mine? Gold fronts gleam, schemes deeper than the abyss. Kids playing dice, praying life don't
Okay,
end like this. Every flick of the wrist could twist faceless. But we chase dreams, heavy pockets, empty wish. Had the bubble goose jacket, Timberlands unlaced. Coppers on the chase, we
to
vanish without a
separate
trace. Blue
USD.
talks, the gun sparks, the dark embrace. Still I kept my
Okay,
faith where the devil misplaced.
okay, 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 okay. That is 23, then 327.
Now the paper stacking slow, but the wisdom grow fast. Used to count change, now I'm changing my past. Through the glass of the flash, reflections of my class. Survivor of the cycle, now I'm built to last. My man Tone caught a case, disappeared in the mist. Told me never let the system silence your gift. So I pen each script with the soul uplift. Every bar scar, every rhyme a shift. From the alleyways of sorrow to tomorrow's gates, I narrate pain with a poet's grace. You can hear the hunger echo through the bass. Legacy stitched in the lines I chase.
Okay, what is the 2, 3, 2?
Now sit in the band, city lights in the lens. Past ghosts in my mind, trying to make amends. But the ends never justify the means, my friends. Still we play that game, no pretend. Life's a chessboard, pawns move under stress. Kings bleed too, queens wearing bulletproof dress. I confess success never easy.
Okay, okay, so Eagles Fly.
The rhythm remains,
Let me work on that.
pleasure and pain. And when they call my name, let them say one thing. Big heart, big dreams, Biggie like swing. Everybody still fighting them nights. Still trying to write their story, don't stop. These legends ain't born, they carved from the block. Peace. Brooklyn born spirit. Worldwide scars. From corners to condos, every brick got a story. Every dream got a price. Let's talk.
Okay, so as I work on
Mama folding hope,
that,
white tees, street lights,
let me
trying to paint peace in a city that lack dreams. Dice roll,
let me how to go about it.
little man pushing packs.
Okay, yes. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Amaka, I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Anna, I see you. I see you.
Bars like scripture for the wire, turn my pain into product.
Okay. Okay, Eagles Fly. I'm on you. Langa.
Now the crown heavy, pressure in the gold gleam. Had to learn the silence louder than the bow scream. Old fiends telling stories about the old school.
Okay.
Block raised wolves but devour whole teams. Cash ruled every rule we knew. Life lessons came wrapped in blue. Court dates like birthdays, deja vu. Every loss taught me more than school ever could do.
Okay, Eagles Fly. 5 items. I'm
On the ones I had to let
seeing
go.
the amount. Which wallet, please?
Same soul just to clean the flow.
Which wallet? Okay, so let us proceed. Langa over there, I was on Thank you. Happy to see you around. Brian is in the building. Hi, Brian. How are you doing? So I sent in my donation. Okay, so if you sending me your confirmation is giving you a hard time, just give me the information over here. All right. As long as you sent in that donation and you confirm that your donation was sent. All right. So all you can do here, tell me what names. All right, what names, the wallet, the amount you sent in, okay, the amount that you sent in, number of attempts, and then, okay, so your name, wallet, amount you sent in, the number of attempts, and then when did you send in that donation? Was it today or yesterday? So that is the only information you need to share with me, such that I include you on the list for today. So Eagles Fly or Lena over there, please, I'm requesting for your wallet. Share with me which wallet you used. Okay, so I'm on to Lena and Brian over here. Please give me the feedback as soon as possible before we get into the strategy. Okay, I have to start off early because people are here and they are waiting on me. Okay. So without wasting time, okay, guys, how are you? Hope you okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Over here, this is Pocket Option. First and foremost, that is the broker that I'm using. I'm trading binary options. So over there, gold OTC, that is the chart that I have over there. Okay, that is my market chart that I'm having there. 15 seconds expiration time. Remember, in binary options, we do not deal with stop loss or take profit. We only look at the expiration time. So let us get into our strategy. Yesterday, by the time I left off I left off when people had requested for the strategy. So I promise that today's start, I will have that. Okay. So, okay, Kashan wants to participate. Please check in my YouTube bio. The donations link is over there. Okay. The donations link is over there such that you can participate. We still have time. Okay. Okay, so let us get started off. First and foremost, for my strategy, for anyone, okay, let me hope the people that asked for the strategy yesterday, we are around. Are the people present? Because I might be here explaining, yet the people are actually not yet on board. So let me know that you guys are around such that we get started off. Over there, okay. Okay, so let us get started. Okay, so for the strategy, I am using price action, right? Price action, and with price action, guys, let me make it simple for us who are learning or who want to understand my strategy. We should not complicate things at any one point. When you are looking at a pure price action, which is a strategy that Lena uses over here, we look at the market direction. Which direction is the market taking? Right about now, as you can see on the chart, we are in an uptrend, right? We are in an uptrend. Okay, just 1 second.
cards that the world might see. Dice games in the rain, cold veins and chain smoke. Kids learn math through grams and cutthroat. Shorty 17 with a scar and a trench coat. Hoping that it's hard, don't think with the next note. Backstairs confessions, I pray with aggression. My adolescence saw lessons through depression. Every loss a blessing, every bruise progression. Now I rhyme pain like divine expression.
Through the smoke, I see my face again. Trying to find truth in a mess I'm in. Rain keeps falling, I don't pretend, but I rise again. Through the smoke, I see my face again. Trying to find truth in a mess I'm in. Rain keeps falling, I don't pretend, but I rise again.
Fast forward, grown but the block still call. Got dreams tall but the system small. Homies fall, got murals on the project wall. We toast to the ghost when the nightfall crawl. Now I move wiser, see Taylor and vision clearer, but I still see my demons in the rearview mirror.
Okay, 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 okay.
Still a soldier in a war, I volunteer. I'm talking 9 to 5 scars, ghetto memoirs, liquor store.
All right, so as I was saying,
Survivors, the underdogs, with the stars turn pain into ink, revolution in
Through the
jars.
smoke, I see my face again. Trying to find truth in the mess I'm in. Rain keeps falling, I don't pretend, but I rise again. Through the smoke, I see my face again. Trying to find truth in the mess I'm in. Rain keeps falling, I don't pretend, but I rise again.
Now success feels strange, champagne in the rain. Same city, same pain, just a different chain. All these faces change, but the hustle remain. You can't clean the soul with material gain. I'm reminiscing of them broke night wishes.
okay, so as I was saying, when we look at market direction, what direction are we in? Okay, what direction are we in? So right now, as you can see, we are picking momentum into the uptrend. All right, so while we are having our uptrend, we know that that is the direction. Then when we move in the opposite direction, that is a downtrend for us. But for someone who is a beginner, it's not a must that you should do it, but it gives you an insight of what your market is going to look like in a smaller time frame. So for someone who is just a beginner, I would advise for now that you check you look in your higher time frame. All right, you look in your higher time frame. For me over here 15 seconds, that is my smaller time frame, but I will go to 5 minutes. All right, that being my higher time frame. So if in my 5 minutes chart I'm in an uptrend, when I come back to my 15 seconds, you will definitely observe or you will see pullbacks, or you will experience a pullback. Even if we are in the opposite direction of an uptrend, it will not take long before it also joins what is happening in the higher time frame. So the higher time frame helps you know exactly what will happen in the smaller time frame. So right there, you get prepared. All right, you know that at least over here I'm going to move in an uptrend and I will make some buys over there. Okay, so that with that direction, it's a must. You need to know where you're going, which trend you're in, and definitely with that, if we know the trend that we are in, we as traders, most of the binary options traders, we trade with a trend. We do not trade against it. All right, I do not encourage you to trade against your trend at any 1 second. That you might catch some interesting entries over there, but you find that they are risky. But if you know how to go about it, you definitely place them in. Okay, so that is with the market direction. I'm talking about pure price action. For anyone who is just joining in, I'm trying to give a small explanation about what we should look out for, what we should know about pure price action. Then for the market structure, Like I keep saying, it is a framework. It is really, really very, very important because it's there that we determine, okay, that we determine, of course, with us refining the candlestick patterns. That is where we know that, okay, right here, let me place in a buy, okay, or let me place in a sell, or let me wait for the market, okay, to be clear such that I get a clear entry over here. So when we talk about the pure price, when we talk about the market structure, definitely there look at things of when the market is moving in series of higher highs. There I'm talking about the uptrend, the series of higher highs and the higher lows. Okay, what we should get in our mind is that we are in an uptrend, first of all. So, to get a strong point over there, you need to understand that strong low. Okay, that strong low. Remember, we are in an uptrend. That strong low that that pushed the market to break the previous high. Okay, breaking the previous high, meaning we had a higher high, we had a higher low. So that higher low that pushed the previous higher high, okay? So meaning we are pushing it, and definitely we are breaking a structure. So when we break a structure, and right now we are above the previous high. I don't know if you're getting me, but I'm trying to explain it in the very, very simplest ways such that you and me are on the same page. All right. So when we break a structure, definitely over there we expect or we anticipate a pullback. For someone who can trade in a pullback, that is your time to shine. Okay, that is when you place in your trades. Then for someone who trades using following the trend, there you just know that you are going to continue in that particular trend. So if we say we are in an uptrend, definitely there get ready to place in your buy trades. Okay, so that is for the uptrend. Then hope we are on the same page over there. Then when we come to the downtrend, definitely we are looking at the market moving in series of lower highs and the lower lows. So to get a strong point, remember, we can have very many higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows, but you need to look at that particular point that pushed the previous for us to break structure. Okay, I don't know if you're getting me, but anyways, let us first talk about it, then we shall know where we are. All right. Okay, so we are looking at the market moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. So to get a strong point, you need to understand that you need to understand that strong high that pushed the market to break the previous low. Okay, so definitely breaking that previous low, we are looking at a break of structure. Then definitely there you anticipate a pullback. For people like me who can trade in a pullback, there we definitely place in our trades. Then for someone who is trading following trends, there you just know that we are going to have a continuation of that particular trend. So definitely you jump in and place in your sell positions. All right. So when we are talking about pure price action, one thing you should know is that we look at the market direction. When we look at that market direction, we come in with a market structure where we understand those strong points, okay? Those strong points. Then definitely we also look at the candlestick patterns, how the candles behaving in the market, what is going on, what should we expect, what should we consider, what should we, that is we have to understand you and me. So when you talk about the candlestick behaviors or the candlestick patterns, these candles, they help us show who is in control of the market, how strong momentum is, then whether the price may continue or reverse. Okay, this is what the candles help us. So with the candles, we have the strong bullish candles, we have the strong bearish candles. With the strong bullish candles, those are the candles that close at the top. Then with the bearish, those are the candles that close at the bottom. Then we have the rejection candles, right? Then we also have the engulfing candles. Okay, then for the small candles, we have some candles that represent or show that right now we are having market uncertainties, weak momentum, buyers and sellers are balanced. So you just know that right over there we are in a consolidation state. So you be careful. In that moment, we always get fake breakouts. We always You can get manipulated. Okay, so you watch out for all those. For the engulfing candles, we know that one candle, if it's a buy candle, it engulfs or it covers the previous sell candle. So with this, definitely you need to understand that when I tell you a few things over here, I might not take you 1,000% into all the details, but when you know that, okay, if I'm using pure price action, then that simply means that I should also take off a little time on my hands, go through, and I find out more about what Lena meant by a strong point, by a break after the previous low, by a break after the previous high, all right? Because all that gives you more information and you become steady in your trading, all right? So, definitely. What To add on to that, what I look out for when I am trading, those are the things that I look out for. Okay, just one second. Just one second.
Concrete jungle, street lights flicker. Every corner got a story. Every shadow's a whisper. You learn fast. You move slow in a city that never sleeps. This is how we grow. Yeah, born on the street lamps, mama praying at night. Daddy disappeared, life taught me to fight. Blocks full of hustle, sirens slice the light. Every wrong turn taught me wrong from right. Cash flow low, dreams high as the skyline. Learn patience and pain in every hard line. Lost some homies, they gone before they time. Turn grief into bars, now my words prime.
Okay, so what was I going to talk about? What was I going to talk about? Oh dear.
Creep made a king, flexing muscle to muscle.
Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every crime made us kings and
It has gone away. Let me first see what people over here are saying. But like I've talked about my strategy, the other, okay, what to look out for before you place in a trade, okay, or before you have an entry. One thing, first of all, is the market direction. You need to know which direction the market is taking, then the market structure, then the candlestick, then the candlestick pattern or the candlestick, how the candlesticks are behaving. All right, then yeah. Before you place in a trade, like I said, I want it to be easy for us not having a lot of information on how to place in a trade. Look at those three confluences, look at those three things, and then you place in your trade. First, start off with that, and then we see if it is doing good for you, because on my end, it really does. It really does. So, as you can see, I back it up with these indicators that I'm using. But if you have those three confluences, if you have those three factors, then enter into the market. All right. Then also timing, very, very important. Timing is very, very important. Make sure that when you spot an entry, you enter there and then. Sometimes you find that we become hesitant or we get scared to enter into the market and place in that trade, right? It doesn't happen to only you, it also happened to me. It used to happen to me a lot. So when you spot an entry, please take it, because it will hurt you so much if you come and then that particular entry that you spotted and you did not take it, it goes in that direction that you actually anticipated. It will hurt because it actually hurts. All right. So timing, very, very important. Then of course the discipline, risk management. As someone who is just beginning, trade according to what you have on your account. Okay, do not blow up your account. Trade small. Okay, trade small. When your account grows, then probably maybe you can increase your what you are risking. That is what I can say about that today. Let me hope we have caught something, or let me hope we can't. Let me hope we have understood something. Okay, so I have talked and talked and talked and talked and talked. So let me go back to my people over here and I see. Okay. Okay, Kashan, I want to send you from my pocket option. Most of the people actually have been sending in. I've been sending in from Binance. Okay. Let me see. I want to send you from my pocket option. When you win, then send return to my Binance or Trust wallet. Okay, I was actually trying to. See.
Reaching for the night. Every scar, every tear inside made us rulers in the city that night.
Now I look down from rooftops at the skyline. Fame and money near, but the streets still define. Cold nights haunt me still, my rhymes align. Every bar a memoir, every flow a sign. Pour a little liquor for the ones who fail. Lessons of struggle every night, a tale to tell. Crown feel heavy, but I wear it well. Concrete kings never quit, you can hear it in the yell. Legacy written where the street lights gleam. Big dreams born in the city's extreme. Every night a battle, every day a scheme. Concrete kings rise, we live the dream. Yeah.
Concrete king.
Streets teach you,
Oh.
shadows watch you.
Every block, every struggle
Shit,
shapes the king in you. Concrete king.
forever rise, never fall.
Okay, okay. I am on to you. Sorry about that delay, but I was trying to explain the strategy. Then I have to organize the donations. Then I have to respond to you. So I am a bit here and there.
Shadow gotta fight. You survive or
Okay,
die.
so Kashan is saying about pocket option. What I can say is that you will have to withdraw. You will have to withdraw it from your pocket option, and then send it to me to the wallet that is on my donations page, which is Binance and the crypto one. Okay, so you have to withdraw from your pocket option. Okay, so let me hope I've gotten back to you. Eagles Fly, I've not yet gotten a response from you. Please, 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 we are soon getting into the donations, yet I want to work on you today. I want to work on you today. Well played, dear. Hi, well played, dear. Okay, that's a beautiful name over there. Kumara, I say you. Thank you for coming through. So, Kashan, please, that's what you need to do. Okay, that is lucid. So you're looking for continuation. Yes, that happens. That happens depending on that particular trend that I'm in. After the pullback, definitely you look for that continuation, and definitely you place in your trade over there. Blessing, hi Blessing, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. I see you. Hi, how are you doing? That is Malik. Hi Malik, I see you over there. Gloria, hi Gloria, how are you? How are you? Hope you are okay. Sazid, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Blessing, Nori is in the building. Hi Nori, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Okay, so blessing. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love this. Okay. Okay, so a doctor is saying, can you use the same device or two? Actually, just to make my life easier, on my end, um, I used to, I used to for my streaming, but definitely if I'm doing my personal trading, okay, if I'm trading, not having a session with you guys over here, I I use my PC. I prefer using the PC because it gives me a wider picture. It makes life easier, not struggling here and there. All right. So yeah,
For them dreamers who never made the headlines. Same block
when
as
I'm
me.
streaming, I used to. Then when I'm having my personal tradings, I always use one. Though if I'm to move, I cannot always move with my PC here and there, so I do some trades on the phone. So you can either use your PC or you can use your phone, depending. Valentine is in the building. Hi, Valentine. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Gloria, show us where you place your trade on the MACD. Okay. Actually, these days I do not use so much the MACD indicator, but it just helps me. It just helps me uh, align with my confluences, what I have there. So if I look at my MACD runnings or the setup, I just confirm that okay, right here we are all on the same page. That's what it helps me. The direction, momentum, right? That okay. So that is Darlene. Hi, Darlene. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, Kashan, I guess there. All are robots? Okay, okay. 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 Okay, Darlene. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so Kashan, no one is a robot over here. Just that I was fulfilling what people had requested for yesterday. Marady, hi Marady, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Happy to see you come through. Happy to have you in the building. Happy to have you in the building. So the fact that Marady is here, okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yesterday we had Le Color, the color, video track. Marady, were you around yesterday? Were you present yesterday? Unless you came through and then you left after some time. Okay, Obed. $100, just like Marady has responded over there. Okay. Okay, so that is for okay, Kashan, I don't want to participate anymore. I won't send you from my Binance. Well, and okay, it's all your choice, all right? No one ever gets forced to do what they do not want to do. But we are happy to have you around. Kevin, hi, Kevin. Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you, Marady, over there. Okay, so over here we are having 356 attempts again. You guys, what do you want to do to me? Yesterday, by the you guys, for the donations, it was such an amazing time. Yesterday it was so beautiful. It was such an amazing time. Yesterday we made it rain. We made it rain, all right? So let me believe that today is also going to be the same. Let me believe that today is actually going to be the same. So, Opoa, over there, time frame, Maradia has given you feedback. That 5 seconds is for the candle, then 15 seconds expiration, then chat time frame 15 seconds as well. Okay. 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 Kim.
Now success got taste, but it came with ghosts. Love turn envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't freedom, just a different dose. Still trying to stay grounded when the cameras post. My reflection talk back like remember the block. Them cold nights, hunger pains, prayers on lock. Now I'm popping corks where the sirens knock. But I never lost soul, just switched
Okay.
lessons like hidden scars.
Thank you. Well played. Thank you very much.
From the curb to the charts, I became who we are.
Generation.
We ain't just survivors, we architects. We built castles out of struggle.
Turn broken glass into
Turn
gold.
broken glass into reflections of greatness.
Okay.
Ashes and ambition.
That's the legacy.
That's the legacy.
Big love,
Okay. So Raphael over there. Okay. Stefan, I see you. Thank you for coming through. Hope you are okay. How are my beautiful people of Tanzania doing? How are they doing? Thank you for coming through, Rafael. But you are the baddest. Okay, thank you. Okay, over there I see Alvira. Personally contact me, please. All right. For that, please, there is a Telegram link on my bio. Please, you can send me a message. Okay, I'm ready. Thank you. So, Kashan, she is a pocket option trader, but in the donation link, there is no pocket option for the no option for the pocket option. Why she doesn't allow people to donate from the pocket option? Suspicious. Okay, one thing we should all know is the fact that you find that someone else maybe they have that. Others, it depends. My choice was by NAS. So maybe for someone else, you find that maybe they are having it that way. But for me, my this my setup and definitely my rules for people to send in their donations like the list that you are seeing over here. It's I do not go into people's necks and beg them to send in the donations. That's why I call it voluntary donations. Okay, you send it in willingly. So if you do not want to, please feel free not to. Okay, it's not something that I force you to do. It's not something that I want you to send in the donations. Oh my God, please send in. No, it is something that you do willingly. That's why I always talk about it that way. So if it's not okay for you, please feel free to just scroll and pass. Okay, so Lekala is in the building. Hi, how are you today? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Lekala, you have come in at a point where we are having our 6 attempts and we are two gone so far, meaning we have 4 more to go. Let us see how it's going to play out today. Yesterday we were at 10. Okay, let's get it going. I'm doing amazing. How are you doing yourself? Your homie is already here. Actually, our homie is already here. So I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. Okay. Okay, so over there I see Obama. Hi, Obama. Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing beautiful. Hope you are doing amazing. Generation over there. So generation today I went through the strategy. Let me hope you got something or let me hope you understood something. If you did not, please always feel free to let me know such that we keep having it, we keep talking about it, we keep improving ourselves. So right. Okay, Obama is alright. I'm doing okay. When you guys come through, definitely I start shining. Okay, that is Ansari. Hi, Ansari. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Let's go.
city don't sleep, but I dream in pain. Concrete cries
No wasting time. Everyone, hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing okay. So, you know, in our times, so right, we there is some animation. I'm actually a person of animations, shockingly. So there is one that they call Moana. So there is this part when that crab was singing "Shiny." So I have a niece. Whenever she does her brushing of teeth, she comes and then she tells me my teeth are shiny. Like, of course, for them they've just washed it right now, but for us we watched it then. So definitely, I am also shiny. Okay, so definitely seeing you guys come through, it brightens up my mood. So thank you so much for coming through. I feel so beautiful. I feel so blessed to have you guys around. All right, what we are having here, it is a session for learning. All right, it's a session for learning. We are improving our trading skills. Over here I managed in the period that I've been trading. I acquired a few skills here and there. So, coming here, sharing a few of them, such that maybe you find that they help out a brother or a sister out there. All right. So, we are here to learn, we are here to share experiences. My experience could be different from yours. The colors experience could be different from Maredi's experience, from Generation's experience, from Godwin's experience, from Sari's experience. Depending, we also get these things differently. All right, and oof, oh dear, oh dear. No, 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 no. We are not here for this. We are not here for this. All right. We are here to milk the market. So I do not want to see these losses. Okay. I'm not here to see these losses. Oh, Lekala, my dear, we have made a loss just at our third attempt. But let us keep it positive. We keep it going. Okay, so the other thing for anyone who wants to send in your donations, please, risk management, very, very important, very, very important. And for anyone who does not, okay, for anyone who does not feel like sending in your donations, no one, absolutely no one, is forcing anyone to send in their donations. All right? So feel free, come through, let's learn, let's improve ourselves. All right? When you feel like you want to send in a donation, do it at your own will. All right, no one is pushing you, no one is pushing you. So Kashan, feel free to always keep your money, okay, for as long as over there you are carrying out some trading. That is beautiful, that is amazing, that is the most important thing. Okay. Okay, so generation, I'm referring to some notes on candlestick pattern. So far, I've made some steady progress. Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You know, I come here, I talk about something, but take time, and do what generation is doing. Take time, take time. Things get better with time, and keep on these charts, keep on these charts. Things get better. Okay, so Raphael, I think my problems breaking structure and pull back, the difference. Okay, so when we talk about a pullback, let's have it in this way. Okay, so first of all, we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. So when we talk about a pullback, just one second.
Turn broken glass into reflections of greatness. Ashes and ambition.
Just one second.
Yeah. You can feel the weight of your city on your shoulders. Every brick, every block got a story to tell. I ain't just rapping, I'm remembering. From broke dreams to gold schemes. It's that big vibe, baby, let's ride. Yeah.
Born with the sirens harmonized with ambition. Mama praying hard, I was lost in the friction. Dreams on a clothesline, poverty, addiction, life and
Okay, so that is Zelnox. Congratulations. So can you imagine our first attempt, our first participant, we made a loss. But let me focus on these charts over here to catch some beautiful entries. Let's go. Okay.
The skyline shimmer, but the scars don't fade. Success tastes bitter when it's pain made. Still see ghosts in the alleys I play, where the innocent dreams got hustled and betrayed. Every dollar earned got a name engraved.
Okay.
Hard to pray, but I rise. Yeah, I'm self-made and brave. Turn my downfall into the gold I crave. Still I reminisce them cold nights. No meal, stepping over hope just to cop that deal. Now the mic my weapon, my wounds my seal. Every rhyme I drop, every line I hear.
Okay, so next we are having Bende. Bende today.
Same blocks to whisper my name in the rain. I ain't changed, just rearrange the game, new frame. Same hunger in the flame. I move a ghost, tone, mic and them. Still pour a little out when I toast to them. The fame don't fix what the nights condemn. It just
That is 2 atoms.
every step paid by
And this is a beautiful structure over here.
this truth for my
Beautiful structure.
world obsessed. We built this from dust.
That is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. When you see a beautiful structure is when the other opposite party is not actually participating in it at all. Look at that. That was beautiful and amazing. Let's go. For Bende, we have one more attempt. One more attempt to go.
Every block got a story. Some written in chalk, some in chains, some in champagne.
Okay.
Me, I just write mine in pain.
You know, I'm doing two things at a go.
Shadows teach survival and sin.
We were looking at the difference Okay, since I plus 10 over here. Okay. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we close in a plus. We close in a plus. Congratulations to Bendy. Okay, so Raphael, let me just give you something small over here. So whenever we talk about break of structure, one thing that should come in your mind, if we are in an uptrend, all right, we are looking at the price breaking above the previous high, right? Like I was explaining in the strategy, the price breaks above the previous high. By the previous high, we are looking at if we had the higher high. Okay, we had the higher high. So the when we are looking of break of structure in an uptrend, that higher high is broken and we actually form another high, right? So that is what we talk about if we are looking about when we are talking about break of structure in an uptrend. Then for the downtrend, price breaks below the previous low. Okay, that is when we are looking at the lower low. So the price breaks below, it breaks below that previous low that we had in the bullish, in the bearish direction. Sorry about that. Okay, but then when we look at a pullback, when we look at a pullback, so after price breaks structure, like I've said, it often retraces before continuing. How easily can I explain that? When we were moving in a certain direction, let me say we were in an uptrend, and then we have broken structure. Okay, we have broken structure. So we are moving, then we put a pause, then we continue moving still. Okay, we continue still moving. We have not broken below, okay, but we are continuing to move in that particular direction. So that is when a pullback has actually taken place, or it has actually happened. All right. Okay, I don't know if you've gotten me. I don't know. Okay, I really want to understand. I really want to understand what Kashan is up to. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's happening over here? What am I missing? Okay, I'm saying I'm ready. I want to ask you something. Okay, Mutsin is in the building. Hi, Mutsin, how you doing? Hope you are okay as we proceed with our donation over here. Okay, Kashan is saying in your Binance or any other wallet. Yes, please, you do. The wallet that you shared with me, when you go onto my donations page, I always ask you for your wallet. So that wallet, that is where I transfer to your returns. All right. Okay. I'm not talking about the pocket option. I don't want the return in pocket option. Yes, that we understood. I want it in Binance. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. That is very, very possible. Okay. So you send in your wallet, and that's where I transfer to your returns. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we are having three items, 350 US dollars. So Kashan, let me hope we are on the same page. I do not want you to be left out because actually you are inquiring and you would love to know or to get information. So yes, please, the wallet that you share with me when you make profits, that's where I transfer to your returns or your profits. Okay, so that's why I have a provision where I ask you for your wallet. Okay, so that's it. Let me hope we are on the same page and let me hope you have understood.
Every crown
Okay.
cost a struggle, the weight heavy, but it's
Okay. Kashan, I'm sorry. Oh dear, no, do not feel bad about it. You were inquiring and you needed information. Okay, so Motsen is asking something, is saying something, we are not getting it. What are you not getting, my dear? What are you not getting, my dear? Let me know. So we are on to our second, we are going to get into our second attempt.
concrete street,
Okay.
midnight whispers. Every corner tells a story, every shadow got a lesson. You survive,
Oh
you
dear.
cry.
Oh dear.
This is brick and soul. Grew up in the
That's not good. We need to enjoy our week, start of week to end of week. So, what is this market trying to do to me?
patience in my eyes, friends
Oh
whisper
dear,
softly.
oh dear.
Spend the time
What's
in the
in?
shadows,
So sorry about that. Quick recovery,
watching
my
stars
dear.
turn to bars now.
I have been missing you actually those previous days. I've not been seeing you around. You've been sick and you're still sick. So sorry about that.
Now watch me
Quick
use
recovery. The fact that Lena is over here, okay, you are going to get fine. So do not worry. Do not worry. You're definitely going to get a fine. That is Fox, 800 US dollars, one attempt. Okay.
Roam through avenues, echoing the past. Graffiti walls whisper old hustlers cash. Some made it out, some shadows didn't last. Every choice precise, calculated,
Let us
steady fast.
sell.
Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest. Every loss a lesson, every win a test. Trust turns slow, loyalty express. Concrete forced to kill
Okay,
fast.
so to easen our trading, let us always look for small things in the market. For as long as you have three important factors, right? And they are all positive. Please, you place in a trade because if we start looking at very many things here and there, then you might end up missing on a number of trades or a number of opportunities. Okay, so in my pocket, with my price action, I made it easy. Once I have three confluences, or if I have three factors that allow me into the market, enter into, and then do that. Execute, right? Okay, dirty. Yes, my dear. I adjusted that. I adjust that. Oh, it adjusted itself. No, my dear. I do adjust that. Okay, so Kashan, Lena. Okay, it's all right. It's all right. You know, it's not. Okay, I will participate very soon. I'm sorry for. It's alright, my dear. It's alright. It's alright. All we need is the information. We have to have good information. We have to have the information that we need for us to proceed, right? So it's all right. We are good. We are good. No worries. Let's go. Okay. All right. Thank you, Morady. Thank you, Morady. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. All right. Life does not need a lot of stressing, right? It doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. You know, take life one step at a time. One step at a time. So that's how, on my end, that's how I see life. I take it in a very, very simple way. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, 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 okay. That is lovely. Mhm. Okay, look at that. Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's go. It's a new week, new vibe. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Am I ready? I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you for keeping the audience in order. Oh my God, what would I do without you guys? Let's go. All right. Okay, so we share another list over there. Yeah, so that is 351 atoms. Like Maredi always says, the people that send in smaller atoms, one atoms, are his favorites. They understood very, very much risk management. Okay, oh dear, oh dear. That was a sharp spike over there, so we have made a loss in our first atoms. Let us give it another try. We see.
Fortune close, but struggle never lies. Money don't erase nights that chill my spine. Every rhyme I spit, every bar's mine. Pour some liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph haunted, every night I pressed on. Crown heavy, still I move strong. Concrete kings and queens, our legacy lives long. Hustling hard, the code we live by. Dreams in the city where weakness say goodbye. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Streets remember.
Okay, just one attempt like this.
The streets speak.
We need a plus. Why are the buyers coming up now? Why?
King and queen in you.
Oh dear. Oh dear. So sorry about that. That was for Thor. We have closed in a loop. So sorry. My apologies.
Streets remember.
Okay, I remember. Remember there were two people who talked about sending in donations. That was Brian or Mondi, and then Eagles Fly. Eagles Fly, I requested for the wallet. Okay, for the wallet. Then Brian, I asked you to share with me the information over here, such that we just rectify everything on here. But none of you has gotten back to me. Guys, I need to work on you, and then we call it a donation. I don't know, but we call it a win. Okay, let's go. Am I ready? Yes, yes, I see over there. I've not seen video track. So I'm asking myself, where are you, video track? Let's go. So with that, just a few dollars to make a 2,000.
Graffiti walls whisper memories that last. Some made it out, some shadows never cast. Every move calculated, every rhyme book to blast. Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest. Losses taught lessons.
Okay,
Trust earned slow. Loyalty expressed.
it's 2,000 with some extra.
But I glide like a ghost. Silence is my armor. My words cost the most. Block raised me tough. Pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper. Every bar's my toast.
It's well, Murady. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. I do really, really appreciate you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always taking time, I appreciate you guys.
Skyline in my eyes. Fortune closed, but struggle never lies.
It's always a good thing to appreciate someone who is doing something good, right? So, Marady, thank you so much.
Crown heavy, yet I move strong. Empire blocks whisper our legacy lives long. Hustling hard, code I live by. Dreams in the city where we
Okay, Belan, that is 352 items. Okay, so for the people that are still coming through, you're almost welcome. Happy to have you around. Like, subscribe, and comment. All right. Let us grow this audience together. Let us grow it together every single day. We are here. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. People, let us always keep time, and truthfully, I love how you guys keep time each and every single day. So if we have some questions, if we have some inquiries, if we need to understand something, please make sure that you always come through early enough, such that before the donations we have understood what we had on our minds or what we wanted to get. Okay, So please, always, always, Jesus Christ. Belen, we have made a loss. So sorry about that. Is it about the other person winning this one? No, 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 no. I need us to, all of us to go with something. What's happening? What's happening? Okay, that is drift, 2000 US dollars, 2 atoms. Let's go. 2 atoms.
Avenues echo with ghosts of the past. Graffiti walls whisper memories that last. Some made it out, some shadows never cast. Every move calculated, every rhyme built to blast. Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest.
That is our first attempt. Just one more to go.
Loyalty express, concrete, force the king, manifest the blessed. Enemies plotting, but I glide like a ghost. Silence is my armor, my words cost the most. Block raised me tough, pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper, every bar's my toast.
Concrete legends, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet made us rulers of the city, undefeated beat.
We are trying to pick momentum over here. Please, please, please. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. The buyers are getting so angry. All right, so that is beautiful. Congratulations to Drift. Hi, Drift. How are you doing? You had actually taken a while. Mine is coming through. Thank you for sending in your donation once again. Happy to have you around. That is Leon. Hi, Leon. How you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing great. Okay, then Thwain. Hi, Thwain. How you doing? Hope you're okay. Happy to have you join us. Okay.
Yeah. Brooklyn nights, concrete lights. Stories written in the smoke, you feel me? This one's for the hustlers, dreamers, believers, the corners that raised me. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Born with a siren sang lullabies through the
Okay, so that is our next list. We are taking it slow but sure.
fine time while the block redefine mine. Gold fronts gleam, schemes deeper than abyss. Kids playing dice, praying life don't end like this. Every flick of the wrist could twist faceless. But we chase dreams, everybody's every wish. Had the bubble goose jacket, Timberlands unlaced. Collars on the chase, we vanished without a trace. From stoop talks to gun sparks to dark embrace. Still I kept my faith where the devil misplaced.
All these streets keep calling my name, trying to pull me back in the rain. I rise, I fall, I fight through pain. Still I'm standing, still I'm staying. These streets keep calling my name, trying to pull me back in the rain. I rise, I fall, I fight through pain. Still I'm standing.
Now the paper stack is slow, but the wisdom grow fast. Used to count change, now I'm changing my past. Through the glass of the flash, reflections of my class. Survivor of the cycle, now I'm built to last. My man Tone caught a case, disappeared in the mist. Told me never let the system silence your gift. So I pen each script with the soul uplift. Every bar scar, every rhyme a shift. From the alleyways of sorrow to tomorrow's gates, I narrate pain with a poet's grace. You can hear the hunger echo through the bass. Legacy stitched in the lines I chase.
All these Calling my name, trying to pull me back in the rain. I rise, I fall, I fight through pain. Still I'm standing on these streets. Keep calling my name, trying to pull me back in the rain. I rise, I fall, I fight through pain.
Yeah.
Still I'm standing.
Now I sit in the band, city lights in the lands, past goes in my mind, trying to make amends, but the ends never justify the means, my friends. Still we play that game.
Okay, so Isa over there, 500, one attempt.
Bulletproof dress, I confess success never eased the mess. But I'd rather die real than live impressed. From the cradle to the grave, the rhythm remains. Ink bleed
Okay, so Thwania, good, good. That is beautiful. That is amazing.
big dream, big
Okay,
life swing. To everybody still fighting the nights.
Ababio. Hi, Ababio Junior. How are you doing? Hope you are okay.
Cause legends ain't born, they carved from the block. Peace. Yeah. Brooklyn born spirit. Worldwide scars. From corners to condos, every brick got a story. Every dream got a price. Let's talk about it. Yeah. Raised with a cold blocks echo in the night breeze. Mama folding hope between bills and white tees. Street lights flicker my reflection in cracked screens. Trying to paint peace in a city that lacked dreams. Dice roll, corner store tales never end. Little man pushing packs just to feed his friends. Big change, small change, truth bend when it spins. Learn the cost of survival before learning to win. Concrete sermons, preachers with no choir. Dreams expire where ambition caught fire. Still I wrote bars like scripture for the wire. Turn my pain into product, the street empire.
Beauty skyscraper dream. They rise, they fall. Still trying to stand through it all. Every scar I got, every call I miss, made me who I am. Can't change this. Every scar I got, every call I miss, made me who I am. Can't change this. Can't change this.
Now the crown heavy, pressure in the gold gleam. Had to learn the silence louder than the bow scream. Old fiends telling stories about the old scheme. How the block raise wolves but devour whole teams. Cash ruled every rule we knew. Life lessons came wrapped in blue. Court dates like birthdays, deja vu. Every loss taught me more than school ever could do. Cityscape whisper while I sip slow. Reflecting on the ones I had to let go. From the bass and rhymes to the radio glow. Still the same soul, just a cleaner flow.
Skyscraper dream. They rise, they fall. Still trying to stand through it all. Every scar I got, every call I miss, made me who I am. Can't change this. Every scar I got, every call I miss, made me who I am. Can't change this. Can't change this.
Yeah. Now I'm looking down from a view. I never knew skyline shimmering, success overdue. But the pain still whisper, they envy you. Same streets birthed me, now they testing proof. Loyalty thin when the money thick. Seen brothers turn strangers when the plots flip quick. But I never switched, my script too slick. Still rhyme real tales, still built from bricks. From welfare lines to champagne times. I carved every line like survival signs. Still that same kid with them ghetto designs. Turn my struggle into rhythm, my past into rhymes. We don't run from where we came from. We build on skyscraper dreams. They don't fall.
They rise again.
One love, Brooklyn forever. stand on the corner and watch your reflection in puddles. Dreams look clear when the city lights flicker through 'em. Brooklyn heart, worldwide scars. This one's for the ones who ain't make it out. That's right.
Concrete diaries inked in the scars of survivors. Street psalms sung by the ones with no choirs. Mama praying nightly tears on the flyers. Lost souls roam blocks where the truth retires. I seen youth expire before they saw 21. Bullets hum lullabies under the morning sun. Where we measure our worth by the weight of a gun and hope.
Already, you're very right. You're very right. Today, yesterday, gold was so amazing. I'm even actually having another thought right now.
Trying to wash away these stains again from the block to the flame. I remain the same. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain.
Okay, so we have just one attempt. That is for Mary. Okay, so we're closing a plus. That is good. Let's keep positive. Let's keep positive, guys. Let's keep positive, and we see what we can fish out of the market.
Rain on the window. I still see my pain. Trying to wash away these stains again from the block to the flame. I remain the same. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in
Okay, so that is Ethereum wallet. Next we have Jackson. Jackson, that is 1,500 US dollars. Looking at a take profit of 5,000. Let's go, let's go. Let us pick up our positivity over here. Let's go. I am always not a person of negativity, not a person of negativity. So let us pick up. Let us pick up. Let's hold on to our positivity, and we go. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is already at T8.
The city never sleeps, it just blinks slow. Dreams buried under street lamps, stories untold. We ain't victims, we authors. We just write our pain in
We keep the positivity, and then we see.
Born with a siren sing lullabies nightly. Dreams get priced, ain't nothing come lightly. Mama said stay righteous, but the block bite me. Now I'm dealing with the cause that the world might see. Dice games in the rain, cold veins and chain smoke. Kids learn math through grams and cutthroat. Shorty 17 with a scar and a trench coat. Hoping that it's hard, don't sync with the next note. Backstairs confessions, I pray with aggression. My adolescence, taught lessons through depression. Every low, every bruise progression. Now around.
Let's see if things get wild. Then you know what we shall do. We shall opt for a switch. Okay. We shall opt for a switch. Let's see.
rain keeps falling. I don't pretend, but I rise again.
Fast forward, grown but the block still call. Got dreams tall but the system's small. Homies fall, got murals on the project wall. We toast to the ghost when the nightfall crawl. Now I move wise as you tell and vision clearer. But I still see my demons in the rearview mirror. The hunger don't fade, just shift his gear. Still a soldier in a war, I volunteer. I'm talking 9 to 5 scars, ghetto memoirs, liquor store bars, and abandoned cars. We survivors, the underdogs. With the stars, turn pain into ink, revolution in jars.
I see my face again. Trying to find truth in the
Okay, capture choice. Check the comment section. What's up? What's up? What's up? Beautiful. Look at that. We needed a take profit of 5,000. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, eagles fly. What do you want to do to me? What do you want to do to me? You have just surfaced again. You have just resurfaced. I requested you for the wallet, and then you disappeared from the beginning up to now. You have just come back. What's up? What's up? What's up? All is well? All is well? All I need from you is the wallet. The wallet. Then Brian also disappeared. Brian said that he is unable to send in messages on Telegram. So I requested for the information here, but I've not yet heard from you. Really, really. I want to work on you guys such that we call it a beautiful one. I do not want to see you guys saying I sent in, I sent in, I sent in. I didn't like it. I don't like it. I always want to trade for you such you and me, we are both on the same page. It makes me happy, all right? Because by the time someone sends in their money, that simply means that they definitely need to see their profits, okay? So please, let's be on the same page. That is 7,700 for lay. 3,000 is our take profit. Okay, that is real. Hi, real. How you doing? Hope you are okay. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, so let's go, let's go, let's go. We are looking at a take profit of 3,000 for lay. That is a beautiful, beautiful momentum. Amazing, amazing. So we are already at one. Okay. That is Delm. Hi Delm, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Delmy, I think. Delmy Road. Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing great. Eagles fly. Is this okay? What's okay, my dear?
Concrete streets, broken dreams. Every block got a story, every corner got a lesson. I survived the nights that swallow hope. Let me take you there. Yeah. Born in the shadow of the high-rise blocks. Mama working double shifts, talking about stocks. Daddy never home, life's paradox. Grew up counting pennies, dodging cops. Lessons in the cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost. Turn my pain into bars, yeah, that's my song.
Eyes on the prize while the sirens sing. Life was a gamble, every step of pain. Still I wrote my truth, let my soul.
Okay, real. This is my wallet. It's Bitcoin wallet. Okay. That is for real. I do not know. I do not know what maybe we are talking about over here. But Eagles Fly, I needed your wallet. Then real over here. I sent in a wallet, which is Bitcoin. Okay, so for lay we are still going on. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Once we get that spike, just so that we are winners. Okay, that is beautiful. So our take profit being 3K. All right, that is real over there. Let me first proceed and see. But if you are sending in this for your donations, I believe yesterday I must have traded for real. I remember seeing that name on yesterday's list. But anyways,
Crown is heavy, but I stay strong. Concrete dreams live forever in my song. We built from dust.
okay. So guys, the list is quite long. The list is quite long for the donations. But actually my time was reduced by 10 minutes, so in the next 4 minutes I will be signing out. Okay, so real, please let me know. But I remember like as if I traded for you yesterday. So one thing I'm going to request you, Eagles Fly, I need your wallet. Brian, I need the information. All right, and that is for real. Please let me know what exactly we are talking about, such that we are on the same page. Then Team Zavala over there right now. I am trading on a platform called Pocket Option, and I'm trading binary options over here. And then also I am having my donations right now. People send in money and I trade for them. All right. So that's what is going on right over here. Okay, so guys, Shady, you're most welcome, but I'm actually closing already. I've missed you. But so that will be it for the donations for today. And I think for the rest of the people that have not traded for, please, if you have any questions, come through early tomorrow such that we work on it before we get into the donations. It's a humble request, all right? Okay, so thank you so much for today. I will call it a day for today, and then I will see you tomorrow. It was amazing having you guys. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and definitely comment on my channel over there. Okay, so let us keep it going. We keep it growing each and every single day. Let us come through. Let us enjoy our sessions together. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
City shadows, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets we sustain. City shadows, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets we sustain.
Now I'm looking down from rooftops at the skyline. Fame and fortune close, but my roots intertwine. Money don't erase nights that chill the spine. Still I spit truth in every line. Pour a little liquor for the lost, the ghost. Every triumph's haunted by the nights I chose. The crown feel heavy, but I strike like a dose. Concrete shadows taught me how to compose. Hustling hard, the formula I live by. Big dreams in the city.
Okay. That I will finalize with that.
Kings never die.
But for my audience, that is it for today as I finalize this over here.
Watch every king started small. Concrete taught us all. City shadows forever in my soul.
Yeah. Concrete jungle, street lights flicker. Every corner got a story. Every shadow's a whisper. You learn fast. You move slow in a city that never sleeps. This is how we grow. Yeah. Born on the street lamps, mama praying at night. Daddy disappeared, life taught me to fight. Blocks full of hustle, sirens slice the light. Every wrong turn taught me wrong from right. Cash flow low, dreams high as the skyline. Learn patience and pain in every hard line. Lost some homies, they gone before they time. Turn grief into bars, now my words prime. Corner prophets preaching, but I wrote my own gospel. Cold nights, hot streets, dreams full of hustle. Friends turn foes, life's a constant tussle. Concrete made a king, flexing muscle to muscle.
Days never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every crime made us kings in the city all the time. All streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city over time.
Now I move through avenues, echo in the past. Graffiti lessons, old hustles cast. Some made it out, some shadows didn't last. Every choice I make, calculated, steadfast. Late nights, cold corners, rhythm in my chest. Every loss a lesson, every win a test. Trust earned slow, loyalty expressed. From the gutter to the booth, I manifest. Enemies plot, but I stay like a phantom. Silence is armor, words of my ransom. Block raised me tough, pain made my anthem. Concrete dreams alive, no fear to rain.
Streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city all the time. No streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city all the time.
Now I look down from the rooftop view. Money and fame close, but the streets stay true. Cold nights haunt me, still I push through. Every rhyme I drop, every story I drew. Pour a little liquor for the ones who fell. Lessons in pain and struggle we dwell. Crown feel heavy, but I wear it well. Concrete forge kings, you can hear it in the yell. Legacy written where the street lights gleam. Big dreams born in the city's extreme. Every night a battle, every day a scheme. Streets never sleep, we just chase the dream. Yeah. Concrete made us kings, pain made us wise.
Every shadow, every black.
A lesson in disguise. Streets never sleep. and neither do we. Forever hustling, forever free.
The city never sleeps, the streets whisper your name. Every block got a story, every shadow plays the game. You survive, you grind, you rise. This for the concrete kings in the night.
Look, raised in the cracks of brick and mortar. Mama hustling nights, praying for a little order. Daddy ghosted, left the stress in quarters. Life was lesson, streets where my laws recorded. Corner prophets talk, but I wrote my own pages. Survived cold nights, dodged the system cages. Lost some real ones, love turned to rages. Turned pain into bars, wisdom through the ages. Cashed in, dreams thick, mind always scheming. Sirens sing lullabies while I stay dreaming. Block taught me patience, loyalty and meaning. Concrete made a king, every word gleaming.
Concrete kings, we rise through the night. Walk through the fire, reaching for the light.